Hi everyone, I'm Warren. I'm an economic researcher and also an independent investor. I hold a Ph.D. in finance, and I've spent 15 years working in the banking and securities industry. Why do some people and even whole nations get rich and stay rich while others never do? In my financial career, I've witnessed so many stories. Some people took bold risks and became rich in just a few years, but some of them lost everything just as quickly, while others managed to keep and even grew their fortunes. Some stayed cautious and steady, slowly building great wealth over time. But others, even though just as careful, spent their whole lives struggling with hardship and poverty. It's the same with nations. Some countries grew steadily and prosper. Some rise like miracles, yet many of them fall back into chaos, while a few succeed in staying prosperous for generations, and some remain trapped in poverty for centuries. My own life has been a mix of both luck and mistakes. Sometimes I moved forward smoothly by chance. Sometimes I escaped trouble through rational thinking. And sometimes I fell into problems because of wrong beliefs. After decades of learning, experimenting, and reflecting, I began to see economics and money more clearly, less emotional, more rational. That clarity has brought me freedom in thought and in life. I've always been fascinated by economic stories. That's why I started this channel, to explain the world of economics and finance through real stories. Because most people think economics is boring, full of complex theories that don't matter to real life. But here, you won't hear any textbook ideas. You'll hear stories. Stories that reveal the real logic behind money, markets, and society. And maybe you'll realize the real world of economics is actually exciting and surprisingly simple once you understand it. In today's world of social media, I've noticed something worrying. Many people online talk about economics and investing, but very few of them have had real academic training or professional experience. Most don't truly understand how economics and finance actually work. They make bold claims, twist facts, and tell shocking stories just to get clicks and views. Some even create conspiracies that spread fear, anger, and division. Meanwhile, the real experts, people who actually study these things, rarely come to YouTube to explain what's really going on. And that's dangerous, because it creates a gap between facts and emotions, between the experts and the public. If the gap isn't filled by reason and knowledge, society becomes more divided and conflict will grow. I hope this channel can be a small bridge, a bridge that brings truth, logic, and clarity back to our understanding of economics and money. My goal is simple: to help more people see the world clearly, understand the risk rationally, seize opportunities wisely, and live better lives. My views might not always be right, but I hope they offer you a new lens to think deeper and more clearly about our world, our society, and our economy. Thanks for being here and welcome to the channel. Don't forget to subscribe and have a great rest of the day.